Okay, I will start over with these exercises. Okay, Lupe asked me a question about this exercise that we didn't do in class, but I want to explain it. Okay, so you can do it. In this kind of exercises, what you're asked to do is to find the value of the length of some of the sides in either shape. Okay, in either shape. The idea is when you always work with similarity, the information that you must always find is the scale factor. Okay, the scale factor, remember, is a division between two corresponding sides. In this case, 6 and 12 are corresponding sides. 12 is of shape B, and 6 is of shape A. So the scale factor, remember, is the length in shape B, in this case 12, divided the length in shape A, that is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So the scale factor is 2. Also, you can know that by looking at the corresponding sides. For example, if this is 6 and this is 12, what you have done is the 6 you have multiplied by 2. Okay, but this is how you find the scale factor. There are two formulas that I explained in class and that you should have written in the folder. One is that the length of the side in the second figure, shape B, is equal to the scale factor multiplied the length of side A, okay, of the corresponding sides. And another formula is that if you want to find the length inside side A, or length in shape in the first figure, what you can do is you have to know the length in the second shape in B, and you divide it by the scale factor. In this case, x is a value in the shape A. Okay, so the formula that we'll be using is this one. Okay, you have to look that these two are equivalent, because if I want to have side A alone, all I had to do is scale factor, you send it to the other side, dividing. Okay, so we're going to be using this one. So it says that x equals side B, that is 12, no, it's 16, because these two are corresponding sides, divided the scale factor, which is 2. 16 divided by 2, this is 8. And that's it. We have finished this exercise, okay? So always the idea is that you must know two corresponding sides, the information of two corresponding sides, to find the scale factor. And once you know the scale factor, you can find the other sides, okay? Let's do, for example, this other exercise, okay, B. It says find the values of x and y. Okay, in this exercise also you have two similar shapes, and you have to find the corresponding sides. Okay, as you can see very clearly, these two are corresponding sides. The small side is corresponding to this one, and the largest side is corresponding to this one. So to find the scale factor, this is shape B, and this is shape A. Okay, remember the scale factor is the division between corresponding sides of which you have information. Okay, in this case you have information of 18 and 4. So the scale factor is 18 divided by 4. So 18 divided by 4 is 9/2. So the scale factor is 9/2. So now you want to find, for example, the length of inside A, that is, in this case, y. We said this. We know this, that the length of side B in the second shape is equal to the scale factor multiplied by side A. And we know that the length of in the first shape, side A, is equal to the length in side B divided by the scale factor. Now, y here is in shape A. So what I want to know is I will be using this one. I want to find y equals the corresponding size, that is 14.5 divided 9/2. And that is 14.5 divided 9/2. That is 9. So y is, this is 9. And now I want to find the value of x, okay, which is the corresponding side to x, 10. But x is on side B, so I will be using this one. So side B, in this case x, is equal to the scale factor, that is 9/2, multiply 10 centimeters. All this information is in centimeters, okay? This is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 multiply 9 multiplied by 5 is 45 centimeters. Okay? And that's how you find missing sides, by finding the scale factor with the information you know between corresponding sides, and you can use these two formulas, okay? That's the length inside A on shape A is equal to side B divided the scale factor, and the length inside B, the second shape, is equal to the scale factor multiply the length of side A, okay?